The incident that took place on 7th of November at about 11:30, around about 11:30, the brutal incident that took place with my husband and my son at Anjuna was very shocking, which was not expected from any of these people. It was a total shame that has happened to us Goan. I am a local resident and Aadhaar card holder, and this happening to the owner of the land is a very shameful sight. So they have brutally beaten up. I think they have got multiple injuries, and he is now admitted in the hospital and very soon going for a surgery. My only plea is I need security. Security of life. Security to my husband. Security to my son. This is the only thing. Now I know he's in safe hands in the hospital. But once he comes out from the hospital, I don't know where I'll be. If this is the threat, I feel it is a threat to me now. So I'm only requesting, I need some kind of security for my family. I only need security. Besides security, I don't know. The other matters, the court will take care.
So तुमचं जातले की असा गाव जे इन्सिडेंट झाला अंजुना जे इन्सिडेंट हे झाला आणि ही मरिया जावन आहा बायल टिमी योदोर आणि माय मेविल्टन योदोराची मेविल्टन जावन आमगे तारवटी भाव इज अ चीफ ऑफिसर आमचे बारा आज GMOA चो प्रेसिडेंट कॅप्टन जर्सन आणि एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मेंबर बाब भास्कर चीफ इंजिनियर भास्कर आहा when they called me up, let us support them because I was also not sure whether he's sailing or not sailing. But he's a sailing staff. But keeping that apart, we some bouncer येऊन भुरग्या मारप तेगे पायक मारप आख्खे फोडप आणि today he is going under surgeries. ओ कल्चर म्हाका दिसता पयली सद्यार इज टू बी कंडेम्ड एंड स्टॉप आणि हे कित्याक जाता दिस इज हॅपनिंग कित्याक आज गव्हर्नमेंट जो आहा तो गव्हर्नमेंटाचो जो भंय ना नोबडी इज स्केर्ड ऑफ द पुलीस आज पुलिसेक कोण भिना आणि तेका लागून हे जाता जोरी तोरी कायदा हातीन घेऊन हे लेवलार पावपा जाता गोंय केन्ना भोंवसर येऊन घरा येऊन मारप मारप हे केन्ना जाताले ओ कल्चर उरलो आम आयकलोले की नॉर्था जात म्हणून नॉर्थ इंडिया जात म्हणून हेचो खबरो आणि आम पिक्चरान चोयलोले पूण आज असली गजाल जाता सो वी केम हियर स्पेसिफिकली टू मीट द DGP has given assurance. First of all, he has given assurance that he is going to provide her safety so that she is safe. While she is attending the hospital, taking care of the husband, she is safe. Nobody does further assault to her. This assurance is first given. Second assurance is given that her FIR has been filed. Her registered झाली ती FIR कॉपी दिवपाक जाय ताका जो कोण कोण कल्प्रिट आहे तेमी दोग तीग जाणा ऑलरेडी अरेस्ट केले उरले ते जे कोण आले तांकां अरेस्ट करतले आणि देन टू प्रोवाइड जस्टिस टू दिस पीपल बट आज द मेसेज इज गोइंग व्हेरी क्लियर आज गोंयकार सेफ ना आणि आज जरी तरी असले सिच्युएशन आहा की आपापल्या गेले घरां रावपाक गोंयांत भिरांत दिसता सो मुगे सगळे गोंयचे लोकांक हांव फकत एकू मागता की तुम्ही आपापल्या गेले जी भाट आहाय जी बेसाय ती सगळी you all make sure that you all protect it in the right manner कित्याक आज जे परिस्थिती she is going through she is even worried about to speak because she doesn't know what will happen so we strongly condemn this government for unable to provide peace and safety in all the villages of Goa या सरकाराकडे BJP सरकाराकडे आज सेफ्टी दिवपाक जायना आता बाउन्सर येले माले मुटरी मागीर सपोर्ट मेळटा बट हे मारपाक कित्याक पावले कित्याक तुमकां भिरांत दिसना कोणा आज पुलिसींग पेट्रोलिंग जायना हे पेट्रोलिंग जावपाची गरज आहा सगळ्याक म्हाका दिसता दीस इज समवेअर द रूट कॉज ऑफ ऑल दीस वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इज लॅक ऑफ सिरियसनेस इन प्रोवाइडिंग सेफ्टी टू द सिटीजन्स ऑफ द स्टेट अँड दॅट इज द रिझन टुडे ऑल दीस थिंग्स इज हॅपन सो माय सिन्सियर रिक्वेस्ट इज policing all over Goa in all the villages has to be strengthened. More police force has to be introduced inside. Make sure that the roads are patrolled safely. People are, having that security. So we strongly condemn. We are going to fight for this lady, fight for their family. But besides fighting only for her, the whole of Goa is also going to the same kind of a situation. A safety म्हणून आनी आय थिंक सेफ्टी जरी तर ना जाल्यार गोंयकारां आनी मागीर आनी उरलें कितें. आज सगळ्यांक उलोवपा देखून भिरांत जाता. एवरीबडी इज गेटिंग वरीड टू इवन स्पीक. इवन कोलवा आमगे एस कोन केस्तांव जाताय. ऑलमोस्ट 45 to 50 days जाले कोलवा एक केस्तांव जाल्ले. भुरग्यां मारलो, नाक फोडले आनी अजून मेळनाय. मारले ते अजून मेळनाय. 45 to 50 days मेळना. जो कोण मारलो तो मनीस इज एब्सकॉन्डिंग. And why is this happening? Seriousness na. So somewhere there is a failure. There is a failure in providing security and safety to the citizens of this state. And because of this failure, we see all this is happening. We will stay with this victims. We will make sure. And I appeal to all. सगळे गोंयकारां कडेन हांव एकूच मागता की तुमी सेफ रावाय. तुमगे भाट दवराय. कित्याक चोय आज कितें जाता तें. आमगे साऊथ अजून पसून जायत दवरलो हांव बरें. आम सालसेतूय सामान दवरलें हांव. आनी आमगे बाणावले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीकूय हांव सगळ्यांक मागता आपल्या गेले सेफ्टी पयलीं सांबाळाय. कित्याक हेंचे भोंवरोसा जरी तर आम रावले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता मुखार आनी कितें जाता तें खबर ना.
What assurance DGP had given?
Assurance is given that she will be given security till the time she is in Goa. Till the time this matter is being handled correctly and taken to the logical end. Her FIR copies will be given. All kind of support what is required will be given, and assurance is given that all those who were involved in beating her husband, beating her this, will be taken for task. They will be arrested. Right now, Dr. Tigzan arrest kelia. Main guy is also been arrested, but the other people who were there, around 20 people, they all are going to be arrested.
What, all are the bouncer there?
Now see, the word bouncer means what? आता वही बरो दिसता हटकटा थंय तो bouncer जाता ना. But that word is being used bouncer when somebody is healthy and physique is well built up. They use the terminology bouncer, but there is no special designation to anybody that you are a bouncer. But चोपा तस दिसता म्हणटरी ते bouncer म्हणपाक ते उतर येता. So that is what is being termed as.